guess what's the difference with this fridge here? Look. Since COVID, we are talking. I'm gonna look here. Ta-da! And on we'll go. Welcome back to the channel, and from you see me in this setting, you know this is another hotel room tour I'm gonna give to you guys today. So if you're new and watching this video, make sure to go ahead, subscribe, leave a comment, like this video, and share this video. So we are at Hilton RoseHall in Montego Bay, and I mean, so far is okay. So right now, to just give you guys a more in-depth of everything looks, I'm just gonna give you guys a room tour. So first, when you come in the room, you know you have the door. The door is right here. So let's just how would like it be? I mean, yeah. So we're just gonna close the door. So regularly, every hotel normally have this on the door with just like information and do not use elevator whenever and whatever. For the room, you have the light right here. So this is the light for just the entrance part. So when you enter, this is the light, the switch for the light right here. Then you have a water light. You know, if you have fire or anything like that, this is where the water comes from. And then over here to my left, you have a closet. So this is a closet. They have nice hangers, and this is a big size closet. Look here. We're going to show you that side from it, but this is a big size closet where I'm inside, so I can go inside. This is a really big size closet because there's another part right here, and yeah, and up here you have the safe and whatever. I mean, the safe really looks as if they were painting and the paint sprinkle all over it and then never clean it up. Anyway, that's how the floor actually looks as well, people. The floor actually has that look on it. So there's an iron board around there. Show that. There's an iron board around there and the iron up at the top. So yep. Anyways, this is a switch to the bathroom, and we are currently going to enter the bathroom. So the bathroom right here is to the right. So alright, this is my brush. This never come in it. But we have a nice marble. No, this is not marble. What do you call this? Granite design. But this is like what? It's like, this is not marble, no. But it's like granite cover top. This is really nice. I like the idea of it. And for the mirror right here, you have the light coming from under it. Like under it, around it, so it just gives this nice view, right? Let me show you guys. So right here, it's just like the view is nice. Cameraman gone sideways over there. So as I was saying, the light comes from under here, which is really lovely, right? And then it's from all the sides, and then over here to the mirror, to the left of the mirror, you have some nice, I think these are bath towels, I'm not sure. Then you have a if it's like tissue, you call it, like if you're crying and something, you know that what he said. This is the older for it. And then you have the fossil, and then the sink is really deep, so you have a deep sink. Over here now you come and you have like just, this looks like hand sanitizer. Yes, definitely gonna have this one. May I take this because at the first time I come and hotel and they provided with hand sanitizer, so this will go over there, so because of, you know, my things that. And these are like shampoo, body lotion, this is conditioner, this is shampoo, and some soap and whatever. Right here now is like they're part of the toilet area with this is like drywall, and the top up here has the type of what is tile or whatever. This is not tile, I think this is granite or something like that, I don't remember. And I just put the toilet paper up there. And before we go to the toilet, this is the sink area. So under you have the blow dryer. Then you have a towel. I'm not sure if that's a towel or bath mat. I'm not sure. And you can't open this part. This is toilet paper right here. Only one there and nothing over here. And then, okay, let's close on the toilet. So when we came, we saw this. Whoa, it fell. We saw this over the toilet where it says sanitize, Hilton clean, stay, disinfected area. So they're just showing you that they cleanse the area. And this is the toilet, and it's just like a press. It's not the press one, it's just a regular. Okay, this is the shower area. So really small, and this is over the bath area. This is how it looks, and that's how the pipe and all of that look. Yeah, nothing too fancy. And then right across from the toilet you have some towels, and you have the trash can. So we're gonna exit the bathroom right now. Yeah, and we're coming into the room. So guys, now we're in the room area. So when you just enter from the bathroom and come, there's like the air conditioning system that's above up here. So the air conditioning is like up there, and then you have a bit of fire stuff on the wall and all of that, and the AC is right here. Then you come, we got a room with 2 beds. Yes, I know the last time we got a room with 2 beds, but look, this bed is actually really big. This looks like a double or a queen. This looks like a double bed. This is like a queen bed. I think it's a queen bed. Yeah, I think this is a queen bed. So we got a room with 2 queen beds. So yep. 4 clothes on the bed. This is the headboard. Look here, but just stop this a while ago. Watch out. Them not in the room. Them just barely gears up like bully for dust and something. Eh? Them not dust it properly. Anyway, this is the bed. White sheets as usual. And the lights are right here. And this is how you turn on the lights. So the lights are turned off like this, and they're turned on like this. Below the nice little antique lamps for the room, lights for the room. You have this, whatever you call it, a built-in bedside table. So guys, with the headboard now, the headboard is actually something that is built on the wall. So as you guys can see, it's built on the wall, and ow, and a phone is right here. So this looks like about a 55-inch television, right? Huh? Yeah, about a 55-inch. Right now, it's a clear, but we're not seeing nothing. The maintenance to come, because all we're hearing is audio. So until they get here, that's fine. Whites. This is such a little bit of upgrade from the last resort that we went to, because we never get that light every, right? We didn't get anything like hand sanitizer, antibacterial wipes, nothing like that. So that's really good. The remote came in something like this right here. So it's same thing that says clean for your protection. So yes. Okay, so when we just entered, we were like, where is the fridge? But then after searching, the fridge is right here. People, what's the difference with the fridge being here? Can you guess? Well, not the difference with the fridge being here, but can you guess what's the difference with this fridge here? Look. Since COVID, me are talking. Look here. Ta-da! Fridge well stacked out.
I want an egg.
Egg? Which one egg?
Oh, and I said I forget.
Yes, sir. Orange juice. Orange juice. People, no, look here. A big upgrade is compared to the, based on the hotel tour that I've been watching over and over, it's a big upgrade. Look here, the fridge stuck out with Coca-Cola, Sprite.
I want to sit in, I think.
This?
Beer?
It's like a beer, yeah, carb. But what? It's already? Yes. What? So, the drawers are really big size drawer and all of that. Over here's a beer. Empty. So, then we come right here to this area. It's just like a regular table. I don't know what it's really for. You can do anything you want, rest anything on it. If you want to have a meal here, no problem. and it has a lamp right here. You turn it off like this, and then you have this big mirror right here, and all over the room you have some little notice about the cleansing of the room, all of that COVID-19 protocols. And you come this section right here now where you have the drapes, and then the drapes, you draw them down, and then you draw them down, you go to the outside. So I mean, we don't have much of a view for the outside, but we can show you the view. How this work?
Fully 2 weeks.
Fully?
Watch out, no sodium.
Oh, sorry. So then you come outside, you have this view. This is our view, but we can see the ocean. We can see the ocean, babe. Come. You can see the ocean out here. So that's the ocean over there, and then you have the nice golf course over here. So yeah, and then out here you just have a nice little area. You can come and sit and have a meal or anything like that. So we're going back inside. So yes, guys, this is the tour of Hilton RoseHall in Montego Bay. Watch out! In Jamaica. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, leave a comment on anything or any question you have. So this is the end of the video. Until another video or vlog. Bye.